This question should be done in the round 2 or round 3. Okay, it says the number of ordered pairs xy such as the equation 4x minus ay is equals to b, where x and y are in the range of 500 to 100 is 45. So it says the number of solutions is 45. It is already saying that a and 4 are co-prime because the SCF is 1. You understand the co-prime? Okay. Where x and y has to be natural number solutions, so there is no solution saying x0 or y0. The number of possible values of a. Let's try this. If I write an equation 4x minus ay is b. Okay. Before I move on to this, let us do a simple concept revision. Say there is an equation 4x minus 3y is 132. I can clearly understand that if x is 0, y is 44. Okay. Now the next solution would be 0 plus 3. The next solution here is 0 plus 4. I have done plus and plus on both the side because there is a difference. So if x increases, y also increases. Okay. So my next solution would be 3 and my next solution would be 48. My next would be 6. So my next would be 51, 52 and so on, right? Okay. Let's say this equation, the value of x and let's say the value of y. Let's say the first solution, the smallest value of x is kx and the corresponding value of y is ky. As the same rule, you do a plus a here for the next solution and you do a plus 4 here for the next solution, right? Now, so the last solution of mine would be kx plus na if I move n times, and this is ky plus 4n. You understand this? Okay. Since in this case, starting from here to here, you moved by n times, so number of solutions would be n plus 1. Okay. Second important thing is that ky plus 4n should be less than 500. Similarly, this kx plus na should be less than 500. Another important thing is the number of solutions is 45. Okay. So n plus 1 should be 45. So what is the value of n? 44. If I come on to this, can I clearly understand that 44 into n, 44 into n, which is 44, sorry, which is 4, that comes out to be 176. Okay. So obviously this will not lead towards 500 as a mentioned limit. So obviously the limiting term is this. Clear? Now if I understand, if I divide 500 by 44, my number would be close to 11. Close to 11, right? So can I understand the value of a should be 11? Reason being, if a is 11, 44 into 11 is 484. And the very first value of x should be less than 11. Very first solution of x should be less than 11. I also understand that kx should be less than 11. The first solution. So I can understand that in that case my limiting term becomes 500. So now if I talk about x, it can be 11. It cannot be 9 because in that case 9 it becomes 2 less. So my only one solution of a is possible. One solution of a is possible, that is C option I tick off.